Hello everybody, as I have Simple here, hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to view snaps multiple times on Snapchat without knowing them. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Spotify app and then go to the messages and you will see your all the friends and their snaps. So if you just seen their snaps for one time, then you have not any options to viewing them without knowing them. So if you want to view their snaps for multiple times, just do one thing. First one is just go to your notification panel and just uh, turn on your airplane mode and just turn off your internet. Just basically turn on airplane mode and then just view their snaps for the first time, and then go to the chat. And if you want to if their options is viewing or replaying, so just click to the replaying and view their snaps for multiple time. And then just go to the apps and just hold and uninstall the app. After that, just go to your app store or play store and reinstall your app and go to the snaps options, and you will see there are no options, that is they notify the notification that you have seen their snaps. So that's the process how you can view their snaps for multiple time on Snapchat without knowing them. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.